Hola, hola, it's your boy Ed Kane. What's going on, my people? Um, this vlog is kind of to give you guys, go over one of the properties that my realtor has, and it's crazy. This is a condo in Lewis, Genedra. I'll put the correct information of the street in the description box, but this is a condo slash apartment, but you own it, you buy it. Uh, U.S. conversion is 96K, $96,000. Look at the photos. Brand new unit, brand new complex. It's in an exclusive area of Puerto Plata, minutes from the Malecon, beach access, totally secure. Um, Amazing location. I've been on the phone with her, and she tells me this is one of the most upscale locations in the area in all of Puerto Plata. Very trendy restaurants, bars, beach, as I said, access, shuttle service, transportation. Everything that you need is right there. Guys, you can email me at edkaneinternationalmail.com. Excuse me, edkaneinternationalmail at gmail.com. edkaneinternationalmail at gmail.com about this property. Only serious inquiries. I'm going to basically vet you guys because I don't want to just inundate her with phone calls, and people are not serious or ready or really, ready to inquire about the properties. But 96K, you can't finance through a bank in the DR unless you have a residence card, but you can get a loan in the States, use those funds to purchase the property. You can also, if you have the cash, you can just buy it outright. But it's a great property to live in, part-time, use that as a rental property, Airbnb it out for friends. You and family members can go in, or friends can go in and purchase the property. Amazing property, guys. Let me know. Email me if you're interested.